Dreaming of sun-drenched coastlines, vibrant Italian culture, and lemon-scented breezes? Welcome to Sorrento, the perfect base for exploring the Amalfi Coast and soaking up the magic of southern Italy. From seaside adventures and historic landmarks to mouth-watering food and day trips to Capri, this charming town offers a little something for everyone. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best things to do in Sorrento. Whether you're here for relaxation, romance, or a bit of Mediterranean adventure. So grab your sun hat and let's explore the very best of what Sorrento has to offer. Let's dive in. Number 10. Take a leisurely walk through Sorrento. If you really want to experience the heart of Sorrento, there's no better way than a slow, leisurely walk through town. From sunrise to sunset, this charming coastal gem invites you to slow down and soak it all in. Start in Piazza Tasso, the lively main square. Grab a cappuccino at a sidewalk cafe and watch the world go by. Locals chatting, Vespas buzzing past, and the scent of fresh pastries in the air. Wander into the historic center, where narrow cobblestone streets lead to artisan shops, gelaterias, and hidden courtyards. Don't be surprised if you lose track of time here. That's part of the magic. Make your way to the Cloister of San Francesco, a peaceful little oasis with ivy-covered arches and live music in the summer. It's a perfect spot to pause and take it all in. Finish your walk at the edge of town, overlooking the Bay of Naples. Whether you head down to Marina Piccola or just take in the view, it's pure Sorrento. In Sorrento, every step tells a story. So take your time and let the town reveal its charm, one moment at a time. Number 9. Marina Grande. Just a short walk from the bustling center of Sorrento lies a place that feels like a step back in time. Marina Grande, a picturesque fishing village full of charm, color, and character. With its narrow lanes, traditional homes, and laid-back vibe, Marina Grande gives you a glimpse into authentic local life. It's not your typical marina. It's a true working harbor where fishermen still bring in their daily catch. And speaking of fresh catch, the seafood here is next level. Whether you're dining on spaghetti alle vongole or grilled calamari, you're eating just meters from where it was caught. What makes Marina Grande so special isn't just the food or the views. It's the atmosphere. It's relaxed, real, and totally unspoiled by mass tourism. As the sun sets and the boats gently sway in the harbor, it's easy to see why Marina Grande has captured the hearts of artists, filmmakers, and travelers for generations. Number 8. Emerald Grotto. Tucked away along the dramatic cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, just a short trip from Sorrento, lies one of the region's most magical natural wonders, the Emerald Grotto, or Grotta dello Smeraldo. Located near the town of Conca dei Marini, this hidden cave is accessible by elevator or stairs from the coastal road, or by boat from Amalfi or Positano. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into an underwater dream. The sunlight filters through an underwater opening, bouncing off the seafloor and turning the entire cave a glowing shade of emerald green. You'll board a small wooden boat, and your guide will steer you slowly through the grotto, sharing stories and legends, and maybe even singing a traditional song or two. It's not a long visit, but it's absolutely unforgettable. Peaceful, surreal, and perfect for those seeking a unique experience beyond the usual tourist stops. If you're near Sorrento, don't miss this shimmering hidden gem. The Emerald Grotto is a little slice of magic on the Amalfi Coast. Number 7. Day trips to Capri. Dreaming of turquoise waters, designer boutiques, and jaw-dropping views? A day trip to Capri might be just what you need. And it's easier than you think. Ferries to Capri run regularly from Sorrento, Naples, and the Amalfi Coast. In just 20 to 40 minutes, you'll arrive at Marina Grande, the island's colorful harbor and the start of your Capri adventure. Take the funicular or a taxi up to Capri town, where chic boutiques and charming cafes line the streets. Grab a gelato and wander through the famous Piazzetta, the island's stylish social hub. One of the best ways to experience Capri? A boat tour around the island. Cruise past sea caves, dramatic cliffs, and the iconic Faraglioni rock formations. And if the sea is calm, don't miss the world-famous Blue Grotto. It's like stepping into a glowing underwater dream. Head up to Capri for incredible views from Monte Solaro, or visit Villa San Michele for a dose of history and beauty combined. From nature to glamour, Capri delivers it all in just one unforgettable day. Number 6. Spiaggia Grande, the heart of Positano, and one of the most iconic beaches on the Amalfi Coast. If you've ever seen a postcard of Positano, chances are this is it. This wide stretch of volcanic sand and pebbles is where locals and visitors come to soak up the sun, swim in the crystal clear waters, and enjoy la dolce vita, the sweet life. Right behind the beach, you'll find a lively promenade lined with boutiques, beach bars, and seaside restaurants. It's the perfect spot for a spritz, a seafood lunch, or just people watching with a view. Spiaggia Grande is also Positano's gateway to the sea. From here, you can hop on a ferry to Capri, book a private boat tour, or even paddle along the coast by kayak. As the sun dips behind the cliffs, the beach takes on a golden glow, and the view becomes pure magic. Whether you're here for a swim, a stroll, or just the atmosphere, Spiaggia Grande is Positano at its most picture-perfect. Number 5. Temple of Serapis. Just a short walk from the port of Pozzuoli lies one of the most fascinating and slightly mysterious archaeological sites in the area. The Macellum of Pozzuoli, also known as the Temple of Serapis. At first glance, it looks like a Roman temple, but this was actually an ancient marketplace dating all the way back to the 1st century AD, a bustling hub of trade in Roman times. What makes this site especially unique is that it now sits partially submerged in a brackish pool. Over centuries, the ground here has shifted due to volcanic activity in the Phlegraean fields, causing the ruins to sink below sea level. The ancient columns, stained by marine life, are a powerful reminder of both the strength of Roman engineering and the restless energy of this volcanic landscape. Whether you're a history lover or just curious about the secrets of the past, the Temple of Serapis is a must-see gem in Pozzuoli. Number 4. Ravello. A tiny, enchanting village high above the Amalfi Coast, where history, beauty, and culture come together in the most magical way. Originally founded by Roman aristocrats in the 6th century, Ravello was a peaceful escape from the chaos below. And even today, it feels like a world apart. Unlike the busy crowds of Positano or Amalfi, Ravello offers a slower pace and absolutely stunning views of the Mediterranean. Its charming cobblestone streets lead to quiet piazzas, lush gardens, and timeless elegance at every turn. One of Ravello's highlights? Villa Ruffalo. With its Moorish architecture and breathtaking gardens, it even inspired composer Richard Wagner. Today, it hosts the famous Ravello Festival, where music literally floats above the sea. Just a short stroll away is Villa Simbrone, home to romantic pathways, classical sculptures, and the unforgettable Terrace of Infinity, with views that stretch to forever. Over the years, Ravello has attracted artists, writers, and icons like Jacqueline Kennedy and Gore Vidal. It's more than a destination. It's an experience. If you're looking for a place where history meets beauty in perfect harmony, Ravello is waiting for you. Number 3. Climbing Mount Vesuvius, towering over the Bay of Naples. Mount Vesuvius is one of the world's most famous volcanoes, and yes, you can climb it. From Naples, Sorrento, or Pompeii, you can take a bus or guided tour that brings you partway up the mountain. From there, it's a short but steep hike, about 20 to 30 minutes, to reach the crater rim. The trail is dusty and rugged, but the views? Absolutely breathtaking. On a clear day, you can see the entire Bay of Naples, the islands of Capri and Ischia, and the city far below. At the top, you're standing on the edge of a still active volcano. You'll see steam rising from vents, and you'll feel the raw power that once buried Pompeii and Herculaneum. There's a surreal feeling up here, like walking through history and nature at the same time. It's humbling, exhilarating, and unforgettable. So lace up your shoes, bring water, and prepare for a true bucket list experience. Climbing Vesuvius is one adventure you don't want to miss. Number 2. Baths of Queen Giovanna. Hidden along the Sorrento coast is a magical spot that feels like a secret from another time. To get there, you'll follow a scenic path through olive groves and ancient ruins. It's about a 15-minute walk from the road, and totally worth the effort. Tucked between towering cliffs is a natural lagoon with crystal-clear water. According to legend, this was the private swimming spot of Queen Giovanna of Naples in the 14th century, where she'd escaped the world with her lovers. Today, it's a peaceful, surreal place to take a dip, explore the rocky shore, or just soak up the history. You can even see the ruins of a Roman villa nearby. It's free, it's breathtaking, and it's one of Sorrento's most unforgettable hidden gems. So pack your swimsuit, bring some water, and get ready for a little adventure. Number 1. Day trips to Ischia from Sorrento. If you're staying in Sorrento and craving a quick island escape, let me introduce you to one of Italy's best-kept secrets, Ischia. This lush volcanic island is just a short ferry ride away, and it's perfect for a full-day adventure. Hop on a morning ferry from Sorrento. It takes about 1 to 1.5 hours, and the ride itself is stunning. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by Ischia's vibrant port town, bursting with colorful buildings and local charm. First stop, Castello Aragonese. This medieval castle perched on a rocky islet offers sweeping views and centuries of history. It's a must-see. From there, head to the gardens of La Martella or unwind in one of Ischia's famous thermal spas, like Negombo or Poseidon. These natural hot springs are a dream for relaxing and recharging. Don't forget to grab lunch. Ischia's seafood is legendary. Try a local specialty like rabbit stew or fresh grilled fish. After a day of exploring, soak in the sunset on your ferry ride back to Sorrento. One day in Ischia and you'll be planning your return before you even dock.